This is Kimchan. I'm about to demonstrate an exercise called the step back lunge with a wood chopper using the band. This is an exercise that I do on a regular basis to help me for my burpee training. The key points to remember for the starting position for the step back lunge wood chopper exercise: feet parallel to each other, stand with the band about chest height and maintain some tension in that band. As you're about to step back, you're going to pull the band towards the right side while you're maintaining gaze straight ahead. The key points to remember for the end portion of the step back lunge with a wood chop is to make sure that the pelvis stays square. As your back knee drops, you're looking straight ahead as your hands come towards approximately the line of your right shoulder. Okay, so here are the key points for the full step back lunge with a wood chopper. Look straight ahead, feet parallel, the hands are towards my left leg goes back, looking straight ahead, step back, bend your back knee as you contract your core muscle and pull the band to the right. Return to starting position. Keep the tension in the band. Exhale down, inhale up. Contract the core, don't forget. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel on getting more fit into your 50s and beyond to help you live a longer, healthier life, pain-free.
Only two